Chapter 8, An Introduction to Metabolism. This chapter fulfills course objective number 3, provides students with the fundamental knowledge necessary to comprehend and recognize the cell as the fundamental unit of life. Topics will include types of cells, cell structure and function, metabolism, communication and control. Specifically in this chapter, we will be discussing metabolism and how it relates to a living organism maintaining order. The specific learning objectives for this chapter are: be able to describe how anabolic and catabolic reactions combine to form an organism's metabolism, know the consequences of the first and second laws of thermodynamics for living organisms, namely, that if an organism is to maintain order, it must bring energy in to compensate for energy lost through metabolic reactions. Know that chemical reactions will tend to move toward energetic stability or equilibrium. Be able to recognize such reactions in graph form. Be able to determine if a reaction is exergonic or endergonic by reading and understanding the column graphs from the textbook. Be able to draw how exergonic and endergonic reactions are coupled together by hydrolysis and regeneration of ATP. Know the basic structures of ATP and ADP, especially where the high energy bonds are. Know and understand how enzymes function in metabolic processes. Be able to describe why enzymes are specific for one or a few substances, for a few substrates. Understand why temperature, pH, and certain chemicals can denature enzymes. Be able to describe how enzymes are regulated by competitive and non-competitive inhibition. Allosteric inhibition is a form of non-competitive inhibition. Be able to recognize examples of feedback inhibition, and be able to tie cellular structures that you learned previously in Chapter 6 with sites of enzyme activity. We will be covering the following concepts: the energy of life, an introduction to thermodynamics, some of the free energy change concept, how ATP powers cellular work, enzymes and metabolic reactions, and the regulation of enzymes. So go ahead and watch the concept lectures for this chapter. At the end, I have a video summarizing the concepts of the chapter and a reminder of the chapter objectives.